and welcome. We are here live in Miami, and we've got so many questions built up for Marcos, who is the CEO of the Tangem Pay project, which we have just released a brand new update. All of you are going to absolutely love. So let us run through some questions that you have been dying to hear the information for. So let me start off just by saying, hi, Marcos. Thank you so much for having us here and answering some questions. But first question is, crypto has had an argument that there's not really enough utilitarian function. And what can you tell us about how we bring growth into the real world with Tangem Pay?
Yes, so great to be here. Miami is great. And thank you for having me here. So again, the problem of crypto is back in the days, we were actually growing and buying crypto and storing crypto and expecting this to create value over time. And then a lot of products came out. We needed functionalities for swapping fast, staking fast, or actually growing the value of our crypto through other mechanisms or other digital assets out there. And then Tangem solved the problem. So first they solved the storage, then they solved the growth. How do I access quickly? The market is functioning 24/7 and I need to swap now. And then the last mile to it was, how do I spend on my day-to-day? If I truly want to make this my, day-to-day bank, it needs to be the three elements. It's not only about the storage, it's not only about growing wealth, but then it's about accessing when I need it for every single situation that, like gas or groceries or soup or, whatever I need on my daily life.
Absolutely. So that does bring actual real world utility into the world, which is absolutely great to hear. But let's rewind for those who maybe haven't heard of what the project actually is. So what is Tangem Pay and how does it work?
Or maybe it's the moment where
Time to show it.
Yes, I show it right now. Well, basically Tangem Pay is just traditional Visa card where you can basically spend on any one of the 130 million merchants all over the world. It doesn't matter where you want to spend as long as it's Visa accepted.
I think another really important question is, what is the inspiration behind Tangem Pay? I mean, you're the person to speak to about this as the CEO of the project.
For the past 15 years, I've been trying to look for angles to disrupt the financial industry. And if you look at the banking concept, I mean, why do they exist? Is to fund governments. And how do they do that? Via bond instruments. And how do they do that? Via regular deposits. And if you look at this cycle, it's endless, and you cannot really get out of the cycle unless there is an alternative. And the alternative cannot be re-educating everybody about technology, re-educating everybody about seed phrases, what digital assets means and things like that. But it actually had to be something more on the how my dad will look at this. Can he actually, have a product which is exactly the same as 30, 40-year-old bank? Can he just, easily move funds and spend it? If it's ready to that level, then yes. And the only company that could do this, Tangem. I mean, how could you remove the complexity on seed phrases and hardware wallets? It's simply inspiring to do everything else. So now you created a bar that everything we built on top of Tangem ecosystem, has to be simple and hyper secure. So, I mean, those are the two credentials to gain everybody trust with their money. So spending $5 or holding billions of dollars, it's the same. It's just a matter of zeros and, if you trust. And I think that was already there from Tangem. So I would love to get that title that I built that, great reputation, but, the founders did it, and I'm here just to do the extension of what our users actually need. Simplicity to go from growing and storing to actually spending.
It's been such a pleasure just to hear about it. I mean, we are in the security business and we are evolving the product as the time comes. And we're really excited just to bring the next iteration and bring out the new markets and have it ready to go on your phone. I guess that kind of touches on my next question is, would it be available to use on a mobile device, or how would it work in terms of the first release? Would it have to be a digital product or would it have to be a physical card?
What better way to give our current user base a hint saying, hey, it's here, it's available, Within 2 minutes, you pass the KYC, download the card, start spending. So first, it's digital card. It's ready to go. We will have physical cards. We will have subscriptions. We will have additional services associated with it. But right now, it's just having that simple rollout to everyone in the places where we can roll out. So with the waiting list right now, we're releasing in batches to gain more confidence that the product, is functioning as we expect. We have already sufficient confidence. We're starting next week with more users and the week after more users. So get there, subscribe.
I have one more question, just because we're all so curious. How does it work in terms of, do you have to convert the crypto into something else before you have to spend it? And what kind of stable coins will be available at launch?
At launch, USDC. That's the first stable. It's simply because we're paying Visa with USDC, which is something quite innovative as well. So we're actually, in our part of the process, we're doing everything on chain. So our users will live fully on chain. If they have Bitcoins, Ethereum, or whatever other of the 70,000 cryptos that you can store in the Tangem hardware wallet, you can use the Tangem Express services, which swaps easily. In one click, you swap, it immediately goes to your spending account. And from the spending account, it's simple, double tap, face recognition or finger recognition, spend.
So Tangem does boast literally 3 minutes in terms of setup time. I assume that we have exactly the same statistics here or something close?
Yep. So that is the only thing we can do now is make sure that everybody gets the cards. We are really expecting with this product by the end of next year and a few rollouts that we're doing in Tangem to be a 10 million active user base. So if we don't do things that, it's simple, my dad's friends and himself will not join.
Yeah, simplicity is something that we are in the business of. Simplicity, security, making sure that we have products that are easy and simple to use by anybody, regardless of your level of knowledge. And that's the ethos that we also want to bring forward from the self-custody hardware wallet side into this new evolution with Tangem Pay. And I'm sure that we have so many more questions, but I'm sure that we just have to be patient and find all of them out, and possibly more in the description or some other information that we have on screen here. But for now, please use this space to scan the QR code to find out more information, sign up for the waiting list, and have it available in your hands.
Yes.
3 minutes, you said?
Yes, please just, join the waiting list, join us, help to change the world in the way we actually can by simply walking away from those old guys. I smell dust. Old dust. Now, let's go.